Hey guys, as we reflect back on 2018, whether it was a tool review, discussing construction field practices, or just promoting the trades with our youth, we're super grateful for your support. And here's a message from the Toolbox Buzz crew.
Hi guys, I'm Ethan.
And I'm Stan.
We wanted to take a moment to thank you for your support this year.
And to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Take care, everyone.
Hey guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I want to thank you for all your support in 2018, and I'm looking forward to 2019 and bringing you guys lots of new tools and everything that the TBB crew does for you. Take care.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's, everyone. Man, what a year it's been. Just want to thank you all for the follows, likes, comments, and shares on our social channels this year. We just love interacting with you guys and look forward to it in the year ahead. We just want to wish you and yours all the best this season, and to paraphrase the great Clark Griswold, I hope you have the happiest Christmas since Big Crosby tap dance with Danny Kaye. Cheers.
Hey guys, it's that time of year again. We just want to take a little bit of our time to say thank you for all of your continued support. Without you guys, none of this is possible. So while you spend some time with friends and family, we just want to say thank you so much and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So thanks again.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all you out there. From myself, all the guys at Toolbox Buzz, and my big helper here, Benjamin.
Hey guys, I'm Jeff, the newest member of the Toolbox Buzz crew. I'm excited to be part of the team. I wanted to thank you all for your support, your subscribes, and I wish you all a safe and happy holiday season. See you all in 2019.
Hey guys, I just want to wish you all a very safe and happy holiday season. 2018 was really good for us, and we really look forward to 2019. Thank you.
So, on behalf of the entire Toolbox Buzz crew, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And as the saying goes, as you slide down that banister that we call life, may the splinters never point in the wrong direction. Here's to 2019, guys. Thank you, and we'll see you next year.